Hi, my name is Soraya Belghazi. I'm an association manager and communications consultant. I've worked for several European and international associations in sectors as different as banking and advertising. At the European Association Summit this year, I will share some tips on how to become a thought leader in your field. Thought leadership is something very important for associations. You want to be recognized as the expert in your sector, the source of information not only on current developments, but also on future trends. Whether you are big or small, there are many ways you can develop a more forward-looking mindset in order to provide valuable insights to people who care about your activities. Join me on the 28th of February to find out more.